Good evening, children. You must have understood what we studied yesterday. So, today we are going to study a new topic, commercial use of microorganism. First of all, you should know what is the meaning of commercial. Commercial means large scale production. So, microorganisms, they are also involved in the large scale production of different products like alcohol, wine, acetic acid. You all know acetic acid is a vinegar. It is used for cooking noodles and for cooking different food items, right? Now, earlier we studied that yeast is the important fungus which is used in the baking industry. So yeast is widely used for the production of alcohol and wine also. Okay, so how this yeast is used for the production of alcohol and wine? Actually, what happens, we take the you crush barley, wheat, rice, and you take fruit juices, and this yeast, the yeast are grown in these food substances, and then they convert these food substances into alcohol or wine. Clear? Now, what this process is actually known when the yeast convert sugar into alcohol, right? So here I have highlighted the text. Here it is shown that the process of conversion of sugar into alcohol, it is said to be fermentation. So it is very important, right? It can be asked in your examination. So underline these two lines, right? The process of conversion of sugar into alcohol is said to be fermentation, right? And alcohol has a peculiar smell. So when it get converted, when the sugar get converted into alcohol, you will get a peculiar smell, and you will be able to identify it that sugar is converted into alcohol. So yeast is very important microorganism which is used for baking industries as well as in alcohol industries, and it convert sugar into alcohol, right? Now the name of scientist, it is again very important for your examination. Louis Pasteur. Louis Pasteur was the scientist who first discovered fermentation in the year 1857. So underline it. Name of Louis Pasteur, who first discovered the process of fermentation. As I told you, fermentation is the process of conversion of sugar into alcohol, right? So this is about the how the yeast is used for the production of alcohol. Now we will study that microorganism, they are widely used in medicine industry also, right? So first antibiotic, you know that it was prepared by Alexander Fleming, right? He was doing one experiment, and during this experiment he come to know that a green mold, that is penicillium, right, it stopped the growth of certain bacteria, right? And from that green mold he extracted the medicine that was antibiotic, right? So now we will study the antibiotics. When you are ill, you go to the doctor's clinic, and doctor, if you are suffering from any bacterial disease, doctor give you antibiotic to cure that disease, right? So now the definition of antibiotics. What are actually the antibiotics? So antibiotics are the medicines that kill or stop the growth of disease causing microorganism, that is bacteria, right? So they are specifically used for killing the bacteria. So it is very important. Antibiotic, they are used to kill the bacteria. That is why they are said to be antibiotics, right? Now, what are the source of these antibiotics? As I told you earlier, that Alexander Fleming discovered that green mold, which is a fungus, it is used to cure the diseases. So here also the various antibiotics, they are used by using different type of microorganism. It may be bacteria, it may be fungus. So antibiotic, when you go to the market and you ask for antibiotic, pharmacists used to give you these antibiotics in the form of capsules or injections, right? Now the name of certain antibiotics, these antibiotics, the name of certain antibiotic you all know, because whenever you are ill you use those antibiotics, right? So here they have given the certain name of antibiotics which can be produced by different type of bacteria and fungus. So here they have given the name of streptomycin, tetracycline, soframycin is also there, erythromycin. So these are the name of the antibiotic. So again I have highlighted it because it can be asked in your examination, right? Now we come to the another topic, that is vaccine, right? Vaccine, when you were a kid or when you were very small, you might have given many many vaccines they were given to you. So what is the use of these vaccine? What these vaccine do in our body? How they are helpful in curing diseases? So first of all, we should know what are these vaccines. So vaccines are nothing, they are actually dead and weakened germs, right? And they are injected inside our body, and when they are injected inside our body they produce antibodies, right? And these antibodies they fight with the germs and they kill the germs, and hence the disease causing germs, if it get killed, then disease will not take place in our body.